50 years ago, Douglaston was built as a place for the formation of young men in the first years of seminary. Cathedral Seminary House of Formation was established by the Diocese of Brooklyn, the Diocese of Rockville Center, and the Archdiocese of New York to continue to provide college and pre-theology seminary formation in Douglaston, New York. Today, Cathedral Seminary provides formation for candidates discerning the priesthood from 10 dioceses and religious orders. Priestly formation today continues the call of Jesus, the response of his first disciples, and their communion of life. There are 4 dimensions of formation that guide our program here at Cathedral Seminary: the human, the spiritual, the intellectual, and the pastoral. The basic principle of human formation is to be a bridge and not an obstacle for others in their meeting with Christ. Human formation is a necessary foundation of priestly formation. Here at Douglaston, we have a number of athletic and social programs to build fraternity and form our men into well-rounded persons, prepared to be guardians of souls. Spiritual formation is directed at nourishing and sustaining communion with God and with our brothers, in the friendship of Jesus the Good Shepherd, and with the grace of the Holy Spirit. This intimate relationship forms the heart of the seminarian, with generous and sacrificial love that marks the beginning of pastoral charity. Through prayer, listening to the Word, and devout participation in the sacraments, the seminarian fortifies his personal union with God in order that he might serve as a priest of Jesus Christ. In the college seminary, students form their intellects in the habit of philosophy. They first pursue the liberal arts, through which they acquire a sense of the great human questions contained in the world. They synthesize and organize them through the study of philosophy, which also serves as a preparation for the study of theology. In the study of philosophy, young men develop a frame of mind which allows them to reject what must be rejected and embrace what must be embraced. This twofold college program prepares students for the study of God that will be pursued in greater depth in the theologate. Those seminarians with a bachelor's degree are enrolled in the master's program, which is taught in-house and provides seminarians with a graduate degree in Catholic philosophy. The program provides the necessary philosophical background for the study of Catholic theology. The whole formation imparted to candidates for the priesthood aims at preparing them to enter into communion with Christ the High Priest. Their formation in its different aspects must have a fundamentally pastoral character. In virtue of the grace of holy orders, a priest stands and acts in the community in the name and person of Christ. This sacramental character needs to be completed by the personal and pastoral formation of the priest through his personal witness of faith rooted in his spiritual life and through his knowledge of faith. These elements of formation converge in pastoral formation. In your time here at Cathedral Seminary, you will grow in your identity as a Christian, whether that means pursuing a vocation to the priesthood or something else. Do not be afraid. Do not be satisfied with mediocrity. Put out into the deep and let down your nets for a catch.